I created a simple budget and followed it carefully. Every dollar finally had a purpose.
For the first time, I started saving consistently.
Viewers, today I'm bringing you another highly profitable finance niche that you can create using 100% free AI tool. First, take a look at these amazing and highly engaging videos that were generated completely with free tools. To find this niche, simply open YouTube and search for the channel Jake Explains Money. This channel is incredibly impressive, with nearly 60,000 subscribers and only around 40 uploaded videos. Even more exciting, it is estimated to generate approximately $4,900 per month. When we check its most popular videos, many of them have crossed 100,000 to 200,000 views, proving the huge demand for finance content. The finance niche is currently one of the most trending niches on YouTube, and it also offers some of the highest CPM rates, making it a great opportunity for creators who want to build a profitable channel. To make things even easier, I have already prepared a complete finance niche master prompt for you. You can find it in the description of my YouTube video. This master prompt includes 10 image prompts, 10 video prompts, 10 voiceover scripts, complete storytelling, character design, and everything else you need. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates the story title, Scene 1, with image prompt, video prompt, and voiceover, followed by Scene 2, Scene 3, and all the way to Scene 10. Every scene is professionally structured, highly engaging, and perfectly optimized for the finance niche. Once all the prompts are generated, I simply copy everything and save it into a document file. Next, we move to the image generation section. For this step, I use Flow AI because it currently offers excellent free image generation through Nano Banana 2. I select Nano Banana 2, copy the first image prompt, paste it into the generator, and click Generate. After waiting for a few moments, the first image is ready, and the result looks absolutely amazing. I then repeat the same process for the second image and continue generating all 10 images one by one. After all the prompts are processed, every image is generated with the same consistent character design and a professional finance-themed visual style. The results are truly impressive, with high quality and engaging visuals throughout the entire story. Finally, I save all the images in 2K quality and prepare them for the next stage. Now that our images are ready, it's time to move on to the video generation section, where I'll show you another powerful 100% free AI tool that transforms these images into stunning animated videos. Okay, viewers, now it's time to move on to the video generation section. For creating videos, I simply open PixVerse. This is an amazing AI tool that offers free video generation, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. First, you need to sign in with your Gmail account. Once you log in for the first time, PixVerse rewards you with 90 free credits, which is absolutely incredible. Not only that, but the platform also gives you 30 free credits every single day, allowing you to continue creating videos without spending any money. Let me show you the reward center as well. One of the best features of PixVerse is its referral program. If you invite your friends to join the platform, you can earn even more credits. For example, inviting one friend gives you additional credits, and inviting multiple friends can unlock even larger rewards. In some cases, inviting 5 friends can earn you up to 300 bonus credits. This means you can continue generating videos almost endlessly just by participating in their referral program. This is truly an amazing opportunity for creators who want to make AI videos completely free. Now, as you can see, PixVerse offers many different tools and features, including image generation, video generation, reference tools, templates, transitions, and much more. However, today our focus is only on video creation. So without wasting any time, I click on the video section and start creating my content. The first thing I do is upload my first image that I want to convert into a video. After selecting the image, I adjust the settings. For resolution, I recommend keeping it at 360p because it consumes fewer credits while still producing excellent results. I keep all important options enabled, including audio and multi-shot features, to maximize the quality of the final output. Next, I go back to my document, copy the first video prompt, paste it into the prompt section, and click the Generate button. Once the generation process starts, all we need is a little patience. After waiting for a short time, just boom. My first image to video conversion is complete. Take a look at the result. It looks absolutely incredible. The motion, animation, and overall visual quality match the prompt perfectly, creating a highly engaging video. Now I repeat the same process with my second image. I upload the image, paste the corresponding prompt, and click generate once again. After a brief wait, boom. The second video is ready as well. As you can see, the animation quality is fantastic, the movement is smooth, and the final result looks very professional. Next, I move on to the final image. After uploading it, I paste the video prompt, click generate, and wait for the AI to process everything. Within a short time, boom. All 3 videos are now ready. You can see how impressive the results are. The motion is smooth, the visual storytelling is engaging, and everything looks polished and professional. This clearly shows why PixVerse is such a great platform for AI video creation. If you want to try it yourself, you can find the link in my video description. However, if your goal is to create longer videos, such as videos exceeding 100 seconds, then I highly recommend using Flow AI. In fact, I personally recommend Flow AI whenever possible because its results are consistently outstanding. To begin, simply return to Flow AI, upload your image, and select the EO 3.1 Lite model. After that, copy your first video prompt, paste it into the prompt section, and click Generate. I then continue the same workflow by selecting Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and Scene 5 one by one. For each scene, I upload the corresponding image, paste the matching video prompt, and generate the video. As you can see, all of my video generations have now started successfully. At this point, I simply wait for the AI to complete the process. I mainly want to show you the final outcome, because many of you are already familiar with the process. As I always mention, Flow AI delivers some of the best AI-generated video results available today. Just take a look, my 5 video scenes are already being generated, and the quality is absolutely outstanding. The animations are smooth, the visuals are highly engaging, and the overall production value looks incredibly professional. This is exactly why I recommend Flow AI for anyone who wants to create long-form, high-quality AI videos with minimal effort. Okay, viewers, now all we need to do is wait for a few moments. After a short processing time, boom, all of our videos are ready. As you can see, the results look absolutely amazing. This is exactly why I always recommend Flow AI. The video quality, motion, and overall output are incredibly impressive and highly professional. I hope you enjoyed today's idea, the free AI tools, and the entire step-by-step process. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting niche, powerful AI tools, and a brand new opportunity to grow your channel. Until then, stay creative, stay productive, and take care. Goodbye.